Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I am Robert with Sherburne Outdoors, and it is absolutely freezing. I don't know if you can tell, but it's 21 degrees. It says the wind chill feels like 6. We're supposed to get about 6 to 8 inches of snow. I was gonna go camping this weekend, but there was also supposed to get a bunch of ice too, so held off. But one of the things I've been working on recently is, you know, when it's cold like this, it's really hard to get a fire lit. I know, I don't wanna get all the people out there with the comments saying you should do all the crazy old school fire stuff. To get around that, I bought a propane torch. I bought it off of Amazon. It's about 50 bucks. It's from Sundinko. I'll have a link in below, but I haven't fired this up. I plugged in the propane tank. I kind of wanted to see what it was like. I've got some boxes here, and then I've also got my fire starter. Thought we'd just do a nice little thing. It's windy, it's nasty, you can see it's snowing. Let's give it a go. So first thing we do is open it up. Oh, you can hear it. Let's pull the thing, and it's not working very good. Wow, poor quality. Oh, there we go. Ooh. All right, that took like 10 starts. It's loud. Let's see what it does. Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Wow, that was amazing. I tell you what, let's let this burn down for just 1 second. I may have found my new torch. I like the execution of it. I did not like how long it took to fire up here, but that's a lot faster than what I was doing when we were camping out and about. It is so cold. All right, so I've got my fire starter down there that we always struggle with a little bit out on the thing. Let's see what this looks like. Pretty freaking awesome. Woo! All right, well, hey, that wasn't meant to be a long video, but I did want to start playing with a propane torch. Again, I paid 50 bucks for this off of Amazon. I'll have a link in the description below. It's from Sundinko. It was okay. I got to tell you, I had a few problems starting it, and after I kind of got through that with the click start, it worked a little bit better. I'm not sure about this. Maybe the quality. I may actually send this back. But I did like the whole concept of the propane torch. Wow, does it just solve a lot of problems and make it quick? It's not too, I usually carry an extra can of propane with me out and about, even though I've been doing a lot more electric cooking. It is so cold. Anyway, so that's that. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching. Hey, if you got any value out of this, please click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new content out. I'm gonna go inside because I am freezing to death. Thank you for your time. Everybody have a great day.